Alright friends, hi, welcome home. This is Module 2, Lesson 16. Thank you guys for being here. I just had to restart the video because I messed up the first one. So the guys that are in the class today are like, please get on with the show. And I think I'm going to. So we were just saying that today will probably be your favorite subtraction strategy. Alright, stop laughing at me, it's fine. Today's going to be your favorite subtraction strategy because A, it's easier than doing the number bonds that we did yesterday. And B, it doesn't involve drawing a ton of circles and then crossing them out. So, it involves counting on, okay? And we're going to be counting on to subtract, as it says up here in the bubble. And normally when we think of counting on, when have we counted on? Who can tell me? When do we normally count on?
We normally count on, we have troubles drawing number bonds and it doesn't work.
Okay, you can, yeah, so we've been drawing number bonds, didn't really work, so now we're going to count on, but when have we counted on this year? When we were adding or subtracting? When we were adding, right? Thank you, Sandy. So, when we were adding, and counting on you usually think of as an addition strategy, because if you count on, a number gets bigger. And if a number is getting bigger, you're usually adding, because we know that in subtraction, numbers usually get what? Lower, thank you. Only one person, but we'll get there, okay? Can we wake up a little bit today, please? Can I get a, oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah!
All right.
All right!
And last but not least, hoorah!
Hoorah!
All right, cool. So, I know you want to be in the video so bad, and you're going to be dramatic off camera, but please stop.
Me too.
Okay. So, when we think of counting on, generally we think of addition, right? And when we count on for addition, we start at the first part, and then we count on with this, right? So we've done it like this. We've said we're at 5, so now we have to draw 7 counters. With the first counter, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 and 7 is 12. That's usually how we count on. Or you could say, put 5 in your head, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We added 7 fingers. Our answer is 12. That's normally how we count on. But with subtraction, counting on is a little bit different, okay? So for subtraction, we're going to start with 11 minus 9. Now, I start with 11 minus 9 because do we have 11 fingers?
No.
If you have 11 fingers, nothing wrong with you. You have to stop shaking the table. Put your hands in your lap, please. Thank you. Okay? Nothing wrong with having 11 fingers. You can do this math problem a little bit better. But we have 10 fingers. So that's why I chose 11, so that we had to start. We weren't able to use our fingers for the first one. Okay? So the first thing you do is find the part, right? So what number, 11 minus 9, what number is the part? Who can tell me, what number is the part here? For 11 minus 9, what number is the part?
No.
There's no 2 in the problem, but nice try. Amaya.
Wait, I have to say the answer?
Which one of these numbers, Amaya, is the part?
9.
9, thank you. So find the part. The part is 9. Because in subtraction, it's whole minus part equals part. Which at this point, everyone should know because we've done it many times. Okay? So now, I found my part. My part was 9. So now, step 2 says, count up from the part to the whole. So, I have to start at 9 and count to what number?
11.
11, okay? So now I have down here in pink, it says, you can track this on your fingers or by drawing counters, okay? So, let's do it on our fingers first. You have to put the part You have to put the part in your head. Put the part in your head. So the number going in your head right now is 9. So we're at 9, and we have to count to 11. Okay? So everyone point to your head. Put 9 in there. Now what comes after 9? 10, 11. I can stop, right? How many fingers is that? 2 fingers. So, step 3 says the answer is the number of fingers you have up. So we had 9 in our head. We said 10 comes next, then 11. So what's 11 minus 9? 11 minus 9 is? 2. Thank you. So 11 minus 9 is 2. You could have also said, I'm at 9. 1 counter is 10. 2 counters. This is 10. This is 11. 2 counters. 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay? My friend over there at table 6, please pay attention. Now, let's try this one more time. Okay? So, if I'm going to do a little bit bigger of a number this time. You guys can handle that? Okay, great. So I'm going to do 15. For whatever reason, I always wind up with 15. I don't know why. 15 minus, somebody give me a number. If you pick the number that's in my head, I'll bring you a cookie. Amaya.
6.
Not 6. I'll give one more person a guess.
5.
Not 5. My number was 8. So you guys were close. So 15 minus 8 equals blank. So now let's follow the steps, right? Of 15 minus 8, which number is my part? Find me the part. Which number is the part?
8.
Henry.
The part is 9.
There's no 9 here. 9 was the part in the last problem, which is smart. So now which number in this problem is in the same spot as the 9? 8. Good job. So my part is 8. So I can underline it. I'm going to put a P up there for you guys. And now I'm counting from 8 up to what number, friends? What's my whole? I have to count. So if I'm counting up from the part to the whole, I'm starting at 8 and going until I get to 15. Very good. So let's do this. Everyone point to your head. Put 8 in your head. Right? Because we're counting on, which means we're starting at 8. So that means the next number is 9, then, a little bit louder please, then,
14.
15.
15.
So now I've hit 15 and I stop. How many fingers do I have up? 7, right? So the number of fingers you have up is your answer. So 15 minus 8 equals 7, okay? And you could have done it this way. You're at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And if you count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? So either way, you still get 7. I think this is going to be the best strategy for a lot of you. My friends at home, I hope this was useful. It should be useful. It's exactly what you have to do. And I think so far for us, this is our most efficient strategy, which means it's our quickest, but also our easiest to understand, okay? Hope you guys are all feeling good, and hopefully I see you guys soon. And please make sure you're turning in your work. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.